Hey everyone, and welcome to a quiet little corner of the world. Let's start our story. Early one morning, a small orange cat was taking a walk beside a quiet river. The water was so clear, moving very slowly. Sunlight sparkled across the surface like 1,000 tiny diamonds. Tall, green grass swayed gently in the morning breeze. The air was fresh and calm. The little cat stopped on a small stone bridge, looking down into the water. It saw its own reflection looking back up. "Good morning," the cat whispered softly. The river made a soft, gurgling sound, almost like it was answering back. Nearby, a tiny fish leaped out of the water, its scales catching the light before splashing back in. The cat watched with big, curious eyes, feeling very peaceful and happy. Everything was perfect. But then the cat noticed something. A single leaf was stuck on a rock in the middle of the stream. The water couldn't get past it. The river seemed to grow even quieter, almost sad. The little cat reached out a soft paw and gently pushed the leaf away. Instantly, the water started to flow again, making a happy, bubbling sound. The river sounded like it was singing. That tiny fish jumped once more, this time higher than before. The sunlight danced and played on the moving water. The cat sat down, feeling proud and content, and closed its eyes to enjoy the moment. In the gentle sounds of the flowing water, it was as if the river whispered, "Thank you for helping me." The cat smiled a little secret smile. After a while, it walked home slowly, with a light heart and a very calm mind. So, what can we learn from our little friend today? Well, we learned some new words. Quiet means with little or no noise. Sparkled means it shined with small lights. A reflection is an image you see in water or glass. Peaceful means calm and relaxed. Gently means softly, not strong. And flow means to move smoothly. And what's the most important lesson? The moral of our story is that even a small act of help, like moving a single leaf, can bring so much calm and happiness to the world around us. It shows that kindness, no matter how small, makes a big difference. Thank you so much for joining me for this peaceful story. I hope it brought a little calm to your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gentle adventures. See you next time.